So first one, we need to pull out this one. And then this one, we need to put it up. And this one, the second one. Okay, these two cut off. And we need to unscrew the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come out. And then we put to here. It can be pulled out. Okay, and this one you make it right and left. Shake it and it will be out. So this one, the water part is out. And then we could check here. It is 2 wipes together. Is here. So we check it also to be this one to cut and to put it out. So next step. Wipe. And then this one is the top. This one also cut. Okay. And then here is to put it out. And the wires, and here is to it can be make it out. This line is to this. We need to pull it out. This one. Here the red is the glue, so we need to take it apart. Okay, and then we it out. So this one is take out. And then here, this one, take it out. So this one is water pan.